Hi everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and I did do a filming of the closing of the camper today, and that will be coming up in just a minute. I do want to apologize for being in my jammies, but while closing the camper, I had a little accident, and I apparently broke a little bone in my wrist right here, the one that goes like under this knuckle. Um, it's just a little tiny bone. But they did this to my fingers to keep them immobile, at least temporarily anyway. And um, so we got home from the hospital, from the ER, and I put my jammies on because with this thing on, particularly, I needed a nightgown. To go potty. It's easier not to have to deal with pants. I know it's a little TMI, but um, that's just how it's going to be. It is what it is. Life has happened, and I'm going to be in my jammies tonight and tomorrow, or at least until I have to go to the doctor. So I was at the ER, and tomorrow I have to call and make an appointment with the orthopedic to see,
Did the band-aid came off?
So anyway, when I created the video today, I did not really do an intro on the closing of the camper video because I was going to do that later. Well, now is later. And so I do apologize. And we'll see what the doctor says as soon as I can get an appointment with him. I don't know that I can crochet with this because I can't get my finger and thumb together. And, if Mama Llama Kayla can crochet with 5 fingers on 2 hands, I can figure this out eventually. But right now it's still a little sore. So I don't even want to, attempt. So I don't know how much crocheting I'll get done in the next few, but I was going to go for my mammogram tomorrow, but I think I'm going to the orthopedic tomorrow instead. But this is still going to be a closing of the camper video, and stay tuned and you'll see it all get closed up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So we are packed up in the back room. This is the back room of our camper. We have some little plastic dressers we put up on the top bunk, and let's see if we can't zoom out a little. There we go. This is our outdoor couch that we brought in. Now this whole unit, see this wooden frame thing here, this whole unit will pull in, and it'll come in way into here. To about where the steps to go up into the bunk are. So I have everything packed up and as mouse proof as I can. If they get up there, they get up there. So far, knock on wood, we've been real lucky. Nobody's damaged anything. And the bathroom door will be shut. The bathroom, Roy is, I have an outside door to the bathroom. Roy is doing the water now. So all my sinks are on. And I have to cover this unit, the seating unit, and we'll close all the blinds. I covered the couch, and the bed has a old blanket on it, and that room is done. I will put out some dry rid or damp rid or whatever. Roy will put out some mouse stuff, and there will also be dryer sheets and peppermint oil. That's what's left to do. So pretty much a few cleaning supplies that I gotta pack up, and couple bags left to go outside, and we're done. But I'll show you. He's doing the winterizing, and I gotta do some covering. I'll see you in a bit when it's all done. Okay, here we go. Slides are coming in. The back room comes in first. Just let me find the right in. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's moving in. When it's about all the way in, then or maybe it is all the way in. Can you see where the wall came? Now comes the front room. Oh dear. Garbage can might be in the way. It gets very small and compact in here. And there we go. So, yeah, the garbage can will still fit where it belongs, but I'm going to move it over here. So, this is how it closes up. The dinette is almost touching the wall to the bathroom. And covered everything. Oh, peppermint oiled. Did put some... I don't want to leave a bottle of water. We did put some dryer sheets. I didn't have that many. I forgot to bring them, so it was just leftovers. And this is what it'll look like when we come back. Minus I'm taking the garbage out with me. So here's the camper with the slides in on the inside. Usually you can't see that pole because it's behind the slides. And the campsite all broke down, tarped up, and Roy's looking for his keys. Such a habit to lock them in, put them in the side. But this is it. This is what we'll come back to with a bunch of leaves on it.